A warm welcome to all. This is Akshay Chandra, and here I am presenting on behalf of my whole team design solution for manufacturing in our entrepreneur skill development project. Our aim in this project is at providing digital infrastructure for a systematic and well-oriented pipeline using computer-aided design, engineering, and manufacturing for better product development. Design for manufacturing is the process of designing parts, components, or products for ease of manufacturing with an end goal of making a better product at a lower cost. This is done by simplifying, optimizing, and refining the product design. There has been a dearth of industrial design engineers for R&D sector of emerging manufacturing technology for products and components. Lack of organized pipeline workflow for industrial engineering designing. Due to this, existing conventional machining has been lacking the following things, such as fabrication of complex structures, internal architecture and spatial distribution, optimization of intricate shapes, incorporating designs and functional graded structuring. We have come up with an objective to create an awareness around the emergence of Industry 4.0 revolution for manufacturing and provide prospective clients with improvised designs or new designs for their respective industry of choice as per additive manufacturing and subtractive manufacturing, catering to the needs of dimensional, functional, and aesthetic needs of their products. Providing mechanical engineering and product design analysis services has been our solution, basically, which are inclusive in computer-aided designing and computer-aided engineering services to various cross-vertical domains. We provide, to be precise, we provide CAD and 3D modeling services on the lead CAD software Fusion 360 developed by Autodesk. Our computer-aided engineering services offering finite element analysis services, CFD services, kinematics, multi-body dynamics, crash test, drop test, fatigue analysis, durability tests, thermal analysis, mold flow, analysis, design, optimization, and many such more things. The detailed design versions would be basically categorized in three parts. Concept model, which would be checking the dimensions, functional model, which will be checking the functionality, aesthetic model, which will be looking into the color, material, and the finish. Computer-based simulation would also be included, which would be comprising of things like static stress, model frequencies, electronical surveillance and checking, cooling, thermal stress, structural buckling, event simulations, shape optimization, etc. And under the manufacturing section, it would be comprising of milling, turning, additive, inspection, fabrication, and utilities. Before I go further ahead, let's have a quick view on what Fusion 360 is.
What is Fusion 360? Is it a cloud-enabled collaboration platform that enables designers to instantly share, review project data, manage versions, find where use, and share ideas on any device at any time? Is it a 3D CAD application with both freeform and solid modeling tools seamlessly integrated into one application? Is it a 3D animation and rendering application? Is it the first cloud-enabled tool to provide 2D drawing capabilities? Is it simulation software? Or is it a CAM application for turning and milling operations? This is what you need to know about Fusion 360. It's not any one of those things. It's all of those things. It's the next generation product innovation platform designed to work on Mac, PC, and mobile devices. So come on, what are you waiting for? Try Fusion 360 today.
As you have seen a brief video which we had got and obtained about Fusion 360, I would like to further stress on the different simulations which I had discussed before, which would be comprising of simulations like static stress, model frequencies, electronics cooling, thermal stress, structural buckling, non-linear static stress, quasi-static event simulation, dynamic event simulation, shape optimizing, and induction molding simulations. Tools of simulation for manufacturing process were basically divided in three technologies in Fusion 360. Those being turning, milling, and additive. As you can see in this particular pictures, which I have brought you from Fusion 360, it shows you the comprisement of what are the various types of manufacturing processes each of these categories can provide the customer or the user or the designer out here working on Fusion 360 with. In general, to basically understand uh, how the manufacturing process usually takes place, the hands-on manufacturing from the very initial stage of the product development to the final stage is basically three things which we emphasize on: design, verification, and slicing. Further to which we also have printing and finishing. Our emphasis here through this project would be basically to provide design, verification, and slice data. Our target customers and beneficiaries would be especially in the fields of aerospace and defense, automotives, electromechanical consumer goods, heavy engineering, industrial machinery, power and energy. These here again are some mechanical components which we have designed. So coming to our market summary, product design has shifted its focus on providing a more satisfying user experience. Whether it's for digital or physical products, designers are finding ways better to serve customers' desires and interests. The industrial design industry is revolutionizing itself to keep up. Here are the five big industrial design trends during the current time, namely being human-centered design, increased personalization, localized manufacturing, safe and sustainable packaging materials, and design innovation. One of the primary growth drivers for this market is the increasing demand for computer-aided design for manufacturing products. In addition, increasing urbanization and rising disposable incomes will further accelerate the market growth during the growth forecast period. Sources expect the industrial design market size to grow by 12.51 billion US dollars between 2021 and 2026. However, the growth momentum is expected to decelerate at a 4.72 percentage during the forecast period. Looking at the key highlights of industrial design market between 2022 to 2026, these are the things which you will be getting to see, that in this segment there will be an increased focus on the physical appearance, functionality, and manufacturability of a product. In addition to these, latest technologies like autonomous robots, augmented reality, additive manufacturing, big data analytics, simulation platforms, horizontal and vertical application integration, industrial IoTs, cybersecurity systems, cloud computing, and computing through cognition would be some significant parts which you might observe. Talking about the competition, uh, the thing is that basically our unique selling point would be comprising of durability, affordability, good quality, all-round service package before the product gets manufactured. It would be a full package of a blueprint of the improvised or invented design model for the respective industry type, where we assume the following things in the product, which will be altered or improvised, which is part consolidation, comprising of part consolidation, mass customization, topology optimization, creative design iteration, and there will be special attention to the customer desires opinion for customization. Whereas in the general USP design solution for companies, you will just see that the USP in general market is possessing low guarantee of a quality even if it is affordable. With the case of good quality designs, owing to brandization, the product prices for genuine customers will be unaffordable. Also, there shall be dearth of communication between the customer and the designer, which we intend to bridge the gap between. This would be one of our key factors which we will be working on. That is communication, because what we know is that design is majorly, it is majorly uh, has a factor involving communication in it. Talking about our business concept out here, when it comes to sales and marketing strategy, We are not ignorant of the fact that there are growing competitions in the additive manufacturing industry as well as the subtractive manufacturing industry, which is why we have been able to hire some of the best marketing experts to handle our sales and marketing. Our sales and marketing team will be recruited based on their vast digital marketing skill experience in the industry, and they will be trained on a regular basis so as to be well equipped to meet their set targets and overall business goal of our company. Our goal is to grow our company to become one of the leading design manufacturing companies, which is why we have mapped out strategies that will help us take advantage of the available market and grow to become a major force to reckon with, not only in India but also in other countries with time. Getting into furthermore elucidation into our marketing strategies and sales strategies, we'll be introducing additive manufacturing companies by sending introductory letters alongside our brochures to play to the players in aerospace, medical, transportation, energy, consumer products, and key stakeholders, key stakeholders in various industries around our country. Promptness in bidding for manufacturing contracts from the government and other corporate organizations, then advertising our business in business magazines, newspapers, TV and radio stations, listing out business on yellow pages or local directories, attending relevant international and local expos, seminars and business affairs, etc., creating a different package for different category of clients in order to work with their budgets and still produce top-notch products, leveraging on the internet to promote our business using digital marketing, engaging in direct marketing approaches, also local chambers of commerce, industries to network and market our services, and lastly, encourage word of mouth marketing from loyal and satisfied clients. Sustainability and expansion strategies would be uh, so part of the plans we have in place to sustain our company is to ensure that we continue to make our availability in qualitative basis for manufacturing and improvise on how to do things faster and cheaper. We're not going to relent in providing conducive environment for our workers and also the required trainings that will help them deliver excellent services at all times. We're quite aware that our customers are key components to the growth and survival of our business. Hence, we are going to continuously engage them to give us ideas on how to serve them better. We will be adopting new technologies and best services and diversifying our services once the need arises. Coming to a milestone. So, this is how we are going to approach things. As of now, you can see that this particular project of ours is at its idea stage. After this ideation stage comes the skill developmental stage, where each and every team member would be required to develop some certain skills on which they'll be specializing, in which they will have to master out things. Say for example, if a person is involved in design modeling, so he'll be involved in freeform modeling and CAD modeling skills. Say someone is involved in studying the different simulations, so he will be involved in studying all those different processes which a simulation check has to be done on. Similarly, the same goes for the sales and marketing team as well as the business strategy and so on. So uh, I would like to conclude with this, that design is basically an intermediary between the information and understanding. And I would like to end up with this takeaway, that Earth was grey and white paranoia until we found colors in it. That is what we designers are here for, to design sustainable yet beautiful structures for this grey and white cityscapes. Thank you.